The speed of being able to repair it quickly is important to just keep the ball rolling. Like instead of having, you know, the excavator stand down for 3 hours, well, you've got it up and going within the hour. The boys are, you know, back crushing. The machines aren't standing down, gravel's being made, you know, everything's productive. My name's Adam Fraser. I'm looking after all the plant and trucks in the maintenance side. Business started 30 years ago next year from just a backhoe, truck and excavator, and it's grown to fleet of cat machines, quarry gear, 10 truck and dogs, floats. We service all of our own stuff. We do a lot of our own welding and repairs and tyres, and we do the whole lot. Well, now we have the trailer and we do all our own hoses. We just take it everywhere with us. If we go out on site and do just a service and we see a hose, well, we just do it. It's preventive maintenance, and you know, because both mechanics, we're in a ute each, so yeah, we just hook it up and go. Then it's with us. We could be servicing one machine at one end of town, and then one of the boys rings and said they've blown a hose out on a farm, where we just go and do it. Like, the beauty of it being a trailer is anyone can tow it. And, you know, most of the guys here are pretty mechanically minded. They can make a hose just from some simple training. So, you know, if we're not around and the trailer's here in the shed, well, they can bring a hose back, make it, and get on with the job. So, yeah, it's just, the utility of it is great, being able to just make a hose when you're ready to go. We use the local NZ franchisee in Albury, and his service was second to none, but you know, he was that busy doing looking after his other customers that he was sometimes hard to get. Yeah, it's just a time thing, you know. Between 2 to 3 hours would be probably standard sort of wait times, depending where the hose doctor was. And most of the time we would go to the machine as mechanics and pull the hose off anyway, and then he'd just come and make it and be gone. So it just made sense, and we done the figures and could justify it quite reasonably to have the trailer and yeah, just do it ourselves. We can get things going, you know. And majority of our breakdowns before probably was hoses, you know. Like, we've done a lot of preventive maintenance with our hoses, and we haven't had as many blowing, I suppose, in the last 6 months. So if they do, you know, we're there within the hour. We're not waiting, and we just do the hose and the machine's back home. They're not having to shuffle machines or move another machine in because that one's down. You know, it's that side of the hose repair is good. Yeah, it's just another piece of plant that I see that, you know, helps the whole business, I guess. You know, it's just very versatile. Anyone can tow it, and we can just make hoses when we need. Oh, I definitely would recommend it. You know, if there's similar companies or that are using outside hose fitters and hose repairers to look to crunch the numbers, and if it's justifiable, then do it. I think it's just so much easier, and you know, you've just got it. You can make hoses on site and it's done.